Good day guys, this is Mr. T from T Forex. In this video, I'm going to be doing a weekly analysis looking at the EURUSD, Nasdaq, looking at the dollar, the pound and the dollar. And what else I'm going to be looking at, I think it's the pound and the yen as well. Nasdaq, I did count Nasdaq, EURUSD as well. So guys, before I go further, I would like to urge you to subscribe on this channel, like this video, and press the notification button so that if I post a new content, you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you so much, guys. Let me jump into it right now. Here, guys, we are looking at EURUSD. Let's look at the market, or the market we are expecting from the market this week. Guys, I'm a very simple guy, as you can see here. My chart is very clean. I'm a very simple guy. So what I'm looking at here at EURUSD, I can see the market, it has been pushing up. As you can see, it has been pushing up, creating correction, impulse, and as you see here, it's been trying to break this trend line, but it ended up, the bears pushed the market down, created correction, and shut down. So what I'm expecting here to happen is the market come down here to this line, to the support, and just shoot up. That's what I'm expecting from the market. Or another thing that can happen, is as well, in the market can still do this, can come down here, create a come down here, create a correction, and we see an impulse move going down. So that's what I'm expecting this week. That it can happen come Monday. Yeah, so that's me, guys. So this is a EURUSD. As you see, it's simple and clear, so there's nothing that you have to worry about. And okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. If you want to, you can place a trade from 4-hour time frame, or maybe you can just go to the lower time frame, maybe 1 hour or 15 minutes. It depends to your trading strategy. Thank you, guys. Let me move on to gold now. Let me move on to gold. Yeah, this is gold, guys. This is gold. Well, the gold has been pushing up, and here, but here it's been sort of like the market has been consolidating here. But the look of things, looking at this correction here, I'm expecting, and this support here as well, I'm expecting the market from here to shoot up. I'm not expecting the market to go down now. I'm expecting the market to shoot up above this what do you call this trend line. I mean, sorry about that, this trend line. I'm expecting the market just to shoot up. I'm not expecting the market to go down. I'm not saying it's not going to go down. It can't go down. But according to my analysis, according to how I look at things, I'm expecting the market to shoot up. Because if you look at, by the look of things, the market has been even here, from here, correction, impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, and it came down and it shoot up. It's been doing this zigzag, and I'm expecting the market to come here to shoot above this trend line. So if it doesn't happen like that, guys, for sure I believe that it's gonna shoot up here to this point. But if maybe it doesn't cross here, it will come to this trend line. It will come to this trend line, because you can see that the market has been respecting this trend line. It will come to this trend line, and from there it will shoot down. From here it will shoot down, okay, to this level maybe. Yeah, to this level maybe it will shoot down. So that is my prediction for gold. That's what I see on gold. I don't know about you guys. Maybe if you see something else, you can leave the comment below and let me know what you see. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go further, guys. Let's go further, because I don't want to waste your time in this video. Let's go and look at what you call at the pound and the dollar. The pound and the dollar. Okay, Yo guys, the pound and the dollar, the pound and the dollar. When I look at this at this chart and looking at this move, I'm managed to catch this move on Friday, guys. I managed to catch this move last week. Yeah, it's been a good one. It's been a good one on 4 hour. It's been a good one, guys. I had a great week as well. So guys, looking at the pound and the dollar for our chart. And here you can see it came to our resistance. Yeah? It came to our resistance and it pulled back. Yeah? Came and retest this trend line and create a correction here, as you see here. It was creating a correction here. Sorry. So it's creating a correction here. You can see. And after this correction, we see this impulsive move going up and create the correction again here and shoot down straight. So from here, what do you expect the market to do? Because it came back, it's back to this what you call to this trend line. It's back to this trend line. What I'm expecting the market to do now here, according to me, to Mr. D, I'm expecting the market to create a correction here. Again, correction, and the market shoot down. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to create this correction. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting from the market. Because I know most people will be expecting the market, because this is a struggling area as well. This line here that I put here is a struggling area, because you can see the search 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going backwards as well. Because in order for us to predict the future of the market, we look at the on the previous data on how the market behaved, because we are looking at the behavior of the market, guys. We're looking at the behavior of the market. So this is what I'm predicting, guys. If it doesn't happen like that, in a worst scenario, yeah, the market, I believe that the market will do this at the pound and the dollar. I think the market will still will do this, because I think this is going to be a recurring impact. Because when you can say 1, 2, 3, yes, that the market are going to do that. That's what I believe, according to me. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm expecting from the market. I know others they might expect that the market will come as the market is here now. They expect that the market will just shoot up straight from this point here, of which I don't believe that. I think it will create the correction and just shoot down, guys. That is my prediction for what you call this pair is a pound and the dollar. It's a pound and a dollar. So because when you look at it, guys, what has been happening here, the market from here, it created a correction move, went down, created another correction move, and you see this impulse move, and it created another correction move again, correction here, as you see it's here. Okay, this correction I'm talking about is here as well. It's here. This correction, it's here. So I'm expecting the market, because it created a correction and it shoot down straight to this trend line as well, and this support as well. So I'm expecting the market to create another correction move as well and shoot down. But looking at this trend line as well, someone might say that the market will shoot up straight, of which I don't believe that, and I'm not too sure about that. But let me just do this. But now I've enlarged this trend line now. Yeah, someone might say that the market, because now I see another angle now. Okay, someone can say the market can as it is here, it can just shoot up to this trend line and shoot down straight. Yeah, that's another possible scenario as well. But when the market, maybe for instance, if the market creates a correction here and up below this trend line, that's where I'm gonna place this. That's where I'm gonna sell the market. But if it doesn't, I'm not gonna do that. If it goes up, I'm gonna wait for the market to come to this level. Remember, guys, trading is all about patience. If you are patient enough, you'll get good result in the market. So I won't mind to wait for the market here and just look for other opportunities from other pairs as well. So wait for the market to get here and just shorten the market here up to this level. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. On the pound and the dollar, let's go further and look at now. We did look at gold. We're gonna be looking at Nasdaq. Let's go and look at Nasdaq. Add that Nasdaq. Guys, we are looking at Nasdaq now. Nasdaq. This index, it's very volatile and it moves very, very fast. So when you trade this index, you must make sure that your lot size is just as small as it can be. Don't put so much volume in this because you might get banned. Yeah. So guys, looking at this market, you can see that it has reached the highest point. Is the highest point? Yeah. So I'm expecting, because here the market has been pushing up, pushing up from here, created the correction, push up, came back, create the correction, shoot up, create the correction, went down. So the market has been in that sort of like a consolidation mode. So, but when you look at this trend line, it has been respecting this trend line here, this support. I call it as a support trend line. So, because you look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these touches. So I'm expecting now the market to shoot up to create the new highs. So that's what I'm expecting the market. As you can see this here, I'm expecting the market to shoot up and create the new highs. I'm not expecting the market to create the correction and go down. No, I'm not expecting that from the market. When I talk about this correction here, is this something that I've been talking about? Correction here, correction, and just shoot down. Sorry about that, and just shoot down. I'm not talking about this, guys. I'm not talking about this. I'm not expecting the market to do that, but I'm expecting the market here just to shoot up and create the new highs. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting from Nasdaq. As I told you guys, I'm a very simple guy. My strategy is very simple, and analyze the market very simple. But if you want to know how to analyze the market in details, I've got another video. You can look for it. I think I'm going to leave the link below where I analyze the market, so that you'll have a better understanding, guys. Thank you so much on Nasdaq. So now, guys, I'm going to be looking at I think now is the pound and the yen. That's the last pair that I'm going to be looking at. Pound and the yen. Yes, guys, this is a pound and a yen. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. When I look at the 4-hour chart, I've marked some zones here or struggling areas. When I look at this market, I didn't catch this move. Yeah, I didn't catch this move because I was on the pound and the dollar. I didn't catch this move. Yeah, so what I'm expecting the market to do here, because the market is here now. The market is here now. I'm expecting the market from this area, because this is a struggle zone. And if I can put another line here, you can see this is a struggle zone. You can see here, it's been struggling. The market is struggling. It has a pullback here. You can see here, all these touches. This is a struggle zone. I didn't put this line. Let me remove it. So I'm expecting the market here from this area. From this area, I'm expecting this beautiful market. Okay, let me just finish something on this. I'm expecting this. Okay, let me just adjust a little bit. I'm expecting this market, guys, here to do what? From here, I think the market will do this. I think the market will just create the correction here. Just create the correction. We just create the correction, create the correction, and shoot up. So this is gonna be my first take profits. Yeah, and just shoot up. So that's what I'm expecting from the market to do, to create the correction here. This is the correction. Is the correction. Create the correction here and just shoot up. Where do I enter when the market shoot up? It's just as soon as it break this correction line, of which is the small trend line here. Yeah. And at the same time, you guys, it's very possible that the market can create the correction and not shoot up, but shoot down. Shoot down. So you must be careful. You must wait. You must get your confirmation. If the market from here, from this line, okay, let me just do this, because I'm expecting the market to create a correction. Yeah? If the market create this correction and shoot up, I'll wait for the market to cross this trend line first, the small trend line. As soon as it's above here, which means I buy the market. As soon as it's below here, this below this trend line, I sell the market. So that's what I'm expecting the market to do, guys, this coming week. And thank you so much, guys. If maybe you have any questions, please, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and as well press the notification button so that if I post the new content, you'll be the first person to see it. And thank you so much, guys. I wish you a very prophetic week. Yes, see you on the other side, because the bottom is overcrowded. Thank you, guys. Trade with precautions. Don't donate money in the market. Thank you. Bye.